Hello, dear advertiser. Are you struggling to start advertising on 7SearchPPC? No worries. In this quick and easy guide, we will walk you through the exact steps to create a productive campaign on 7SearchPPC. Let's start by logging into your 7SearchPPC account. Click the Campaigns button in the sidebar navigation and find the Create Campaign button on the following page. Simply click that and choose your specific goal, like sales, lead, or anything from the list. Now, it's time to select a suitable ad format for your campaign. The steps involved in creating campaigns with different ad formats may vary. Let's walk through each, one by one. Text ads. Select text ads and click the Next button to proceed. In the next step, you will need to complete the final form by filling in details such as the category, campaign name, ad title, ad description, and destination URL. Be sure to select a suitable pricing model and specify your bid price and daily budget. Please note that all countries, device types, and operating systems are pre-selected. You can edit them as per your campaign requirements. Once done, recheck all your details and submit the form for further verification. Banner ads. Select banner ads on the Create Campaign page and proceed with the Next button. Now fill in the required details in the campaign form. Provide your campaign category, campaign name, destination URL, and pricing details. You can also set the devices, operating systems, and country targets here. After that, upload ad images of the required sizes. That's it. Now, you can submit your campaign for further verification. In-page push ads. Select in-page push ads and tap Next to proceed. The campaign form will appear. Fill it out by selecting your campaign category, entering the campaign name, and choosing a suitable type of push ad. Do not forget to upload a picture and provide a captivating campaign title, campaign description, and your destination URL in the following sections. After this, select a pricing model, choose a bid cost, and set a daily budget. Finally, set your targetings, such as countries, devices, and operating systems, and click Submit for further verification. Native ads. Select native ads and click Next to proceed. A campaign form will appear on the next page. Fill it out by providing relevant details. Provide basic campaign details, including campaign category, campaign name, ad title, and destination URL. Now, set a suitable pricing model, bid cost, and daily budget. Also, set your specific targets using the following device type, device OS, and country selectors. Lastly, upload an image in the required shape and size, and then submit for approval. Popunder Ads. Select Popunder Ads in the list and click Next to proceed. An ad creation form will appear on the following page. Fill it out by providing details like the campaign category, campaign name, and destination URL. Don't forget to set a daily budget and campaign targeting. After submission, a congratulatory message will appear and your campaign will remain under review for a while. Don't worry, our team will verify your campaign as soon as possible and make it live if everything is okay. Hope this video helped you understand how to create a campaign on our platform. For more information, please contact our support.